Okay, guys, as you can see, we're making massive profit with just $4,000. Now, I'm going to be showing you guys on how to make this profit. But before I do, those of you guys that have been asking me on how to join my free Telegram channel, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do this in this particular video. Now, go to my Telegram, my TikTok channel. Okay, you are here in my TikTok channel. Click the link on my bio just like this. Yeah, to direct you over to this particular place, which is going to be showing you this. I don't know, the network is kind of holding. Okay, it will show you this. You are about to open an external website. Then just click on open. Because the reason why it's showing this because it's external website. So it's join rush and join now and make massive profit with me with account management. So click on here to message me if you are interested. I just opened this particular uh, Telegram channel which not too long ago, and look at, we are already in 500 people. My old one got banned, and for some reasons I have to recover everything. So go to my bio. So in order to make this particular profit, you don't have to look for a way. If you're a beginner in forex trading, you just have to look for these three main reasons. I always tell you in my previous videos. Now, first is a good strategy. Second is you have to require a mindset, discipline. Then third is you have to trade not every time. It's called money management. So I've told you guys about this over and over again. So go and work yourself and come back and tell me how exclusively or how massive profit you made. And for those of you guys that have lost so much money, comment on the comment section how much you've lost so far. And if you're interested in account management, go to my bio, click the link on my bio. I'm sure I've directed you on how to do that in this particular video. So you won't be asking me how can I join. So that's my free Telegram channel. Message me for account management, VIP Telegram channel, and other group. Have a nice day. See you guys in my next upload video. Thank you.